Here I have iPhone 8 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning it's good to switch off your device, press power key. Let's slide to power off the device. Afterwards you need to find the slot. The slot is located right here at the right edge of the device. Let's use some thumb tag or special eject tool to open this slot. Here I have the simple thumb tag and let's just press it right here to remove the whole slot. So this is the slot that we can use. So here let me insert the Nano SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and let's push the whole slot into the phone right here. Alright, now let's simply press power key to switch on the iPhone. Wait a couple of seconds. Alright, as you can see the home screen pops up. So now let's choose the settings. And as you can see here, the mobile data settings are enabled, so it means that your SIM card is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.